Okay guys, I'm ready to go. Say goodbye Cebu. And this guy invite me to eat Filipino food. This is rice. Yes?
Rice and sardines.
Sardines, sardines. Hello, kamusta? Hello guys, good morning, and now I'm checking out from my hotel and packed my bag. And today I have a plan, go to north of Cebu Island. It's Bogo City area, and let's go. This one is tiny room. There I have stayed last 3 nights. It's like local area in Cebu. Today is nice weather. It's sunny, not rainy. I think it's good time to travel. Bought this one SIM card, it's Globe, just 59 peso. Going to have a lunch. Today I will try Korean food. I ordered kimchi with fried rice.
This is nice, but a little spicy.
Okay guys, I'm ready to go. Say goodbye Cebu, and looking forward to travel. Hello, kamusta? The guy is building in our Jollibee construction. Okay guys, just made a short stop to drink one buko, and let's look what we can buy here. Charcoal for barbecue. What else? I don't know what is it. This one is vinegar. Okay guys, good evening. Finally I found the camping. It will be my first night in Philippines in the tent in this. I've already put the tent and getting dark, and view really nice from this camping, but now it's already evening, and tomorrow morning I will show you what kind of view will open from here. And now I'm getting my dinner, and today I will eat noodles and mega. This one is my delicious dinner. Okay guys, let's try. It's really yummy. If you guys also eating, enjoy meal. You guys invite me to eat Filipino food. This is rice. Yes.
Rice and sardines.
Sardines and vegetable.
And chicharon. Let's call in Philippines utan.
Utan. Good.
It's delicious. And your country, maybe it's utan. It's because it's long.
Okay.
It's called low budget eating, my friend. Try. Let's try. How about Filipino food?
Delicious. Delicious. Lami kayo.
Let's go. Budul fight. Yeah, budul fight.
Okay guys, we making campfire. Hello guys, good morning. I'm just woke up in my camping, and today I slept in the tent, and now I will show you place where I overnight. This is the camping. It's nearby Katmon city, north part of Cebu. You can see there is just small houses, and downstairs also, and from there is opening really nice view. You can make campfire there also. Water, bathroom, and nobody here because weekday, and it's really nice place. And I've paid just only 100 peso per night. This is guys my breakfast today. It is brew coffee and oats meal with banana. Enjoy meal.